Yo, 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 yo. Hey, what's good, Faith the River family, man? That's your boy Soul Snacks, man. Hey, guess what time it is? It's white bass season, baby. Yes, sir. Your boy down here at the creek this morning, man. Seeing that the white bass are running. See what we can do, man. See, I got my equipment and everything over there, man. But yeah, the boy down here at the creek, man. See if we can't get on these white bass. See if they made it to the creek yet, man. So, hey, y'all stay tuned, man, and let's see what Soul Snacks get, man. Faith the River, baby.
Open wide, searching for a song to drink beer to. I've had a largemouth bass bust my line, a couple beautiful girls tell me goodbye. Trucks break down, dogs run off, politicians lie, been fired by the boss. It takes one man, count the things I can count on. No, there ain't much man that ain't ever let me down. Long neck, high skull beard never broke my heart. Like diamond rings and football teams have torn this boy apart. Like a neon dream, it just dawned on me that bars in this guitar. And long neck, high skull beard never.
All right, guys. Hey, first fish on, guys. Ooh, let's get it, baby. Oh, let's get it. Come here. Let's go. Oh, it's a nice one, guys. Ooh, check him out, baby. Yes, sir. Yeah, check it out, baby. We got our first bass. And it's a nice one. You gotta check that out, man. And it's a nice one. It's not my first bass. It's the third one, but it's the first one that I got on camera. I got two in the cooler. Hey, guys, they here, baby. They are here. Man, I stay tuned, man. Hopefully I can catch me enough. Oh, look, swimming on top of the water. But like I said, hopefully I can catch me enough, guys, and maybe do a catch, clean, cook on white bass today. Yes, sir. Y'all stay tuned, man. Faith the River. All right, guys, we on, baby. We on, guys. Ooh, we on, baby.
Look.
All right, guys, we got our second fish, baby. Check it out.
Beautiful white bass.
White bass, yes, sir.
See? Oh, that's a tasty fish.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah, I love. We live in Dallas. We fish over there. It tastes really good.
In Dallas? Yeah, they got the hybrids out there, ain't it?
Yeah.
Check them out, baby. That's 4 altogether. Let's get back in this water, guys. All right, guys, we on, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Another nice one. Another nice one. Another one that we can add to the collection. I got my damn hook. There we go. Another that we can add to the collection, guys. Put them right on that grease. Yeah, sir, man. Hey, I love this time of year, man. Hunting season, the white bass season. Man, I love this. Check it out so far. What we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 so far, guys. We got 5. If I can get 5 more, we in good shape. There's some guys that's down here that I seen earlier, and they were like, man, we've been tying them up for the past 2 weeks. I'm like, damn. Past 2 weeks. You know, I'm a little late. But I've been hunting, y'all, so that's why I'm just not starting coming right now. I like to come around this time anyway, so when I know they actually are here. You know, you don't want to come just making no blank trips for nothing, you know, so that's why I like to come around this time, right after Christmas. Oh yeah, I know it's beyond then. Everything is all about finding them. So y'all stay tuned, baby. All right, guys, we on, baby. We on, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Finally got one. Man, it's been a minute since I caught one, man. It's been a minute. I got a total of 7. Well, this is 8 right here. But man, hey, it's been a minute since I caught one. I didn't get the other ones on camera. I didn't get the other ones on camera, y'all, but it's been a struggle this morning. You know, people catch them. They don't. People over here, they catch them. You know what I'm saying? But you know, things is just slow. Which I'm cool with what I have. I'm just glad that I know that they're in here now. That's it. I'm just glad that they're in here now, so I know it's time to get on them, guys. What I got, like a little 8-piece. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all stay tuned, baby. Well, they biting slow today, guys. They biting slow. I know they in here though. You just gotta find them. That's the thing with your white bassing, man. You just gotta move around. You gotta move around. But when you find them though, they there. Yes, sir. I just need to catch me a couple more and I'll be good. Think about walking over here. See if I can't get in somewhere over there. But y'all stay tuned, man. All right, guys, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. I end up with 8. I think I got 4 on camera. Man, I just came out here really just to see if they was running yet. And yeah, they running now. So I've been talking to a couple of people down here, and they like last week they caught this many, I limit out this time, and blah blah blah. So hey, they've been in the creek. So I'm just not getting to them, you know, because like I said, I've been hunting and stuff like that. So now everything's starting to wind down, man. White bass is here, baby. So my white bass 2026 just started, baby. So I'm finna go ahead and head to Walmart, and I'm finna go get some, go buy me some grease and some stuff, some fish fry, cause I'm finna fry these bad boys up when I get to the house, man. Let's check out what we got though. Let's check out what we got. Ain't too bad, huh? Ain't too bad. Like I said, I'm finna head to Walmart, and I'm finna go get me some grease, some fish fry and stuff, man. I'm finna go ahead and fry these up when I get to the house, man. So hey, y'all stay tuned. I'll see y'all at the house, baby. All right, guys, so I'm here back at the house. I done went to Walmart already and bought everything that I needed. Now it's time to go ahead and bust these bad boys down. As y'all can see, I caught 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 8 total. Like I said, I didn't get all of them on camera, but I think I got 4 clips, maybe. You know what I'm saying? I just went out, once again, I just went out just to see if they was running. I wasn't out going out doing anything serious, so caught a little 8-piece, and now I'm finna go ahead and fillet these bad boys and get them. Look at little Jacoby over there. Kobe, what you doing? Huh? Be here there. But yeah, guys, I'm finna go ahead and get these filleted, man. And we're gonna fry their asses up. But y'all check this bad boy out though. Yes, sir. So let me show y'all how Jay Smith AKA Soul fucking Snatcher, do his white bass. Put y'all in the cooler. Let's start with these two first. I got a spoon. And what I'm gonna do is go right here on top of the fin, the back spine right here. And I'm gonna just take the spoon, I'm gonna just flay these off right here. Flay the scales off right there. Why, you ask? Because that's why I'm sticking my knife in, baby. All right. So we got that. Go ahead and stick this knife up in yonder. Just like so. And go ahead and let the knife do the job for you, you feel me? Cut like butter. Bring her ass all the way up like yonder. Now go back in. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that pretty meat, man. Hey, white bass got some pretty meat. I only got 8, so if I'd have had more than 8, then I would have used my electric knife. But I only got 8, so no point in me pulling out the electric knife. You know, I like doing things the old school way, man. You know, you got all these new technology, new things. You could do this and that. Man, look, I'm old school. I like to do things the old school way. I like to do things the way that I was taught how to do. You know what I'm saying? I like to do things the way that I was raised and taught how to do. So just like that. So then I'm gonna come back once I get them all done, and then I'm gonna take this. I'll take the skin and everything off. But man, it's white bass season, guys. I'm excited, man. I am excited. Cause we fit to be everywhere this year, white bassing. Yes, we is. Man, for anybody that's gonna be watching this video, man, whenever it drop, man, hey, y'all leave it in the comments, man. What is y'all favorite go-to rig when you go white bass fishing? Cause white bass and crappie fishing, I don't think it's the same, but it is. If that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but because I know a lot of people when they go crappie fishing, they like to use minnows. And crappie fishing is something that I never really done. So I'm new to the crappie fishing. But this year, man, I'm fit to get into it. Yes, sir. All right, guys, y'all check it out. Y'all check out that little pretty fillet right there. So like I said, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna take the skin off once I get them all done. Hey, you know what I do with these right here? Because it's white bass season, and also the catfish love this. Catfish and gar. I cut it right here and keep all this, and I put all that in the bag, and I keep that for catfish bait. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'll bring y'all back once I get done with everything and show y'all what everything look like after I'm done, man. All right, it's your boy Soul Snatcher, man. Faith the river hunting and fishing, man. All right, Kobe. damn sun way over there in other people's yard. Anyway, man, y'all stay tuned, man. We'll be back. All right, guys, man. So, as y'all can see, I got everything cleaned up. Y'all see, I got the heads, and then I got the belly meat and everything. All this is bait right here. Yeah, so all this is bait right here, man. It's catfish bait. Catfish and guard candy right here, man. So, like I said, y'all see everything's good, cleaned up, man. I'm about to get in this house and go ahead and season these bad boys up, man. Go ahead and get these things ready, get put in that grease and get baptized. You hear me? Lord have mercy. Help these motherfuckers because they gonna need it, man. But, all right, I'll see y'all in the kitchen, man. Yes, sir. All right, guys, man. So we in the lab, man. So this the white bass. Got the white bass season, man. Got the seasons back there, everything that I'm using. Hey, y'all check out the cutting board though. Yes, sir. But the fish fry that we're using once again, y'all already know what it is, man. Put that on the cracker, dude. Got the grease hot over here, man. Go ahead and drop some of these fillets in this bag. Like I said, we old school over here, man. I do everything still in Ziploc bags. Get that seasoning up real good, man. Move that to the side. Take that off real quick. Hey, let's go ahead and baptize these things real quick. Turn that down a little bit. Hey, y'all check these fillets out though, man. Flip it, bomb. So we got the white bass set. I'm thinking about might do some catfish too. Depends. Let's check that out though. Yes, sir, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this stuff seasoned up, man. Close the lid on this. And we're gonna bring y'all back, man, once we get the second batch in and everything seasoned up real good, man. Hey, Faith the River, baby. Alright guys, baby, so go ahead and show y'all what I'm using to season everything up with. I wanna go ahead and coat everything up real good. Get that garlic powder right here. You can use a lot of that. That's the garlic there, baby. Let's go ahead and get that good old onion. Yes, sir. I love the seasoning right here. Yeah, check that out, man. And if you gotta add a little more color to it, add a little bit more color to it. You add a little bit more, that'd be it. Nothing too crazy, you know. A little splash. Just like that, because everything else is gonna be in the seasoning. Everything else gonna be in the fish fry. We're gonna take that, man. We're gonna put that in this good old bag. Move this out the way. Alright, man, look at all that stuff, boy. You hear my son over here after this? I'm talking about being disrespectful. Alright, guys, so that's the first batch right there. Y'all check that out. Nice, crispy. Yes, Lord, man. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get the go ahead and drop the other batch in. Man, it ain't nothing like, man, going to the creek, catch a fish, and come back home and cook it. I check this one out. That's a nice fillet there. Oh look, yeah, look at that. That grease talking, ain't you? You alright? You alright? Big gangster, get up. Yeah, check that out, man. Ooh. Yeah, but this how we do it over here, man, in the Faith River Camp, man. Hey, you better not fall, boy. Look crazy still. Alright, guys, so we got the white bass done. We got a bowl of catfish right here. Go ahead and drop all this in this bag and let's get it seasoned up, man. Squeeze it, get all the air out of there. Check that out. These some thick catfish nuggets as well. Check that big old nugget out. Say, man, what's your favorite seasons, man, which I use? Y'all see all mine's in the back though. Y'all see all mine's back there. Y'all check that out though, it's getting baptized in there. So we're gonna come back when that's done, man. We're gonna show y'all what that look like, man. Alright guys, man, check us out, baby. Everything is all done, man. Y'all check out this fish though. We got the white bass, and we got the catfish that look like chicken nuggets right here, man. We got some butter noodles over here. We got that asparagus over yonder. And man, once again, man, y'all check out this cut board right here, man. I'll leave the description and everything, information in my description. They call Fort Bend Engraver. Man, y'all make sure y'all check them out, man. Man, if y'all ain't tried this fish fry, man, this is badass. Walmart. You might can get it online too. I'm pretty sure you can get anything online, man. But hey, y'all see everything is done. I'm ready to eat. Yes, sir. Y'all check them lights out, man. Yeah, so anyways, man, like I said, man, I'm ready to eat, man. So y'all see everything here, man. So I want to say, man, I appreciate y'all for being with your boy on that water, man, here in the kitchen. And like always, man, y'all know what it is, man. Faith the River, baby.